Congratulations on the purchase of your new Tri-Pak vertical baler. Adhering to the following guidelines will ensure safe, trouble-free operation for many years of service. All Tri-Pak balers are designed to meet or exceed ANSI safety standards. By following the operational and safety procedures recommended by Reaction Distributing Inc., you'll be able to safely operate your baler. All operators of the baler must read and understand the owner's manual before operating the baler. Also, each user must familiarize themselves with the operating instructions listed on the control panel. Please remember these 4 points. Number 1. Your baler is to be used for recyclable material only. Number 2. It is unlawful for anyone under the age of 18 to operate this equipment. Number 3. Only authorized, trained technicians are allowed to work on your equipment. Number 4. Never allow work to be done on this equipment without performing the lockout-tagout procedure. For your safety, please view this video in its entirety. Please note that your baler must be installed with sufficient room for proper and safe operation. There must be at least 2 feet of clearance around the sides and back of the baler to allow room to insert the baling wires and tie off the bale. There must be enough clearance in front of the baler to allow the chamber door to swing clear of the chamber so that the finished bale can be safely ejected. Also, be sure that the area and back of the baler is kept completely clean and free of any objects that might interfere with the operation of the baler. Do not install the baler in high traffic areas. Now let's look at how the baler operates. Remember that by law, only trained employees over the age of 18 are allowed to operate this baler. Before you begin the baling process, open the chamber door and lay flattened cardboard across the bottom of the chamber to cover the wire slots. This will keep the slots clear to allow the wire ties to pass through. Close the chamber door and secure the latch. Load the chamber evenly. Do not overfill the chamber, as damage to the loading door may occur. Next, move to the control panel. While we're looking at the control panel, let's discuss the switches and their functions. The keyed selector switch has 3 modes of operation: start, bale eject, and the off or neutral position. Their functions will be explained throughout this video. The keyed selector switch functions like a car key and must be turned to the far right to start the automatic operation. The emergency stop button can be pressed at any time to stop the operation of the baler. Once pressed, the button must be turned to the right to reset the baler for normal automatic operation. The bale full light warns the operator when a full bale condition has been reached. When this occurs, the light will illuminate until the bale has been ejected and the baler reset. This will be discussed later in this video. Now, let's continue with the baler operation. Check that the chamber door is latched securely. Make sure the stop button is pulled out. Turn to the right to ensure it is off. Using both hands, pull down the loading door. Insert the key into the start switch. Turn to the right and hold for 1 second. The baler will begin its cycle. Once released, the keyed selector switch will always return to the center or neutral position. The key can be removed in this position if the baler does not need to be cycled again. The baler will complete the cycle it has started. Please note that the red emergency stop button can be depressed at any time to stop the operation of the baler. To resume operation, reset the stop button, close the loading door, and turn the start switch. Notice that the platen will dwell in the down position longer if you start the baler in mid-stroke. Continue loading and cycling until a full bale is made. As the bale nears its capacity, load flatter items on top. This will keep the slots clear to allow the wire bale ties to pass through. You will know you have made a full bale when the bale full light has been illuminated. Now we are ready to tie the bale. After the motor stops, open the loading door fully. Clear the area in front of the baler to prepare to eject the bale. Clear all personnel from around the baler before you begin this procedure. Open the chamber door. Clear the area behind the baler to prepare to insert the bale ties. Insert the bale ties, loop end first, into the slots in the front of the bale chamber floor. Refer to the owner's manual for specific bale tie sizing and applications. The bale ties are to be inserted from the front to the back. Push the wire through the slot until it just clears the back of the baler. Clear all personnel from the front of the baler. Move to the back of the machine and insert the ties back through the bale chamber using the corresponding slots located in the rear of the platen. Now, both ends of each bale tie should be at the front of the baler. Tie the bale by inserting the straight end of the wire through the looped end. Pull any slack out of the wire and twist to secure. Repeat for all bale ties. You are now ready to eject the bale. Clear all personnel from the front of the baler. Remember, never try to eject the bale with the loading door or the chamber door closed. Doing so could result in personal injury or damage to the baler. To eject the bale, first push the bale dump handle into the eject position. This handle is located at the front of the platen. For easier bale handling, you can place a pallet in front of the baler. To begin ejecting the bale, stand at the side of the baler. Turn the keyed selector switch left to the eject position, while at the same time pressing the bale eject button located at the side of the control panel. The platen will raise, and the bale will begin to rotate out of the baler. The button or the switch can be released at any time to stop movement of the platen. If the motor stops, simply restart the baler by pressing the button and turning the key switch simultaneously to continue ejecting the bale. Remove the bale from in front of the baler. With a broom, clean all loose material from inside the chamber. Never enter the chamber without following all proper lockout, tagout procedures as outlined by your supervisor. Clean up any debris left in front of the baler. Close and latch the chamber door. And with both hands, pull down the loading door. Make sure the stop button is in the off position. Now turn the selector switch to the right and hold until the platen begins to descend. You will hear a click as the bale dump handle automatically resets to the normal operating position. The platen will shift, retract, and stop once fully retracted. With both hands, open the loading door. You are now ready to make a new bale. Please follow the maintenance program outlined in the owner's manual to ensure and extend the trouble-free operation of the baler. If you have any questions regarding the operation or service of the baler, please contact our customer support department as listed in the owner's manual. As a final note, please keep in mind that the baler is designed only to bale recyclable materials such as corrugated and shrink wrap. In order to maximize the value of the bale, keep these materials separated and bale only like materials. Do not bale chipboard or boxboard, strapping or packing material, styrofoam, wax-coated corrugate, mail or books, newspapers or magazines. Do not bale floor sweep, food scraps, garbage, metal or wood. All of these items will contaminate the bale. Remember, recycling reduces waste, saves energy, and conserves resources. Reaction Distributing Inc., Canada's only waste systems integrators.